Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Ayman Pervez. Today I am going to tell you how to make large YouTube thumbnail on Facebook. How you can increase your YouTube viewers. You just need to follow me. Firstly, you need to go to your channel and whatever video you want large thumbnail, just click on it. Like I want to make large thumbnail for my this video. Just click on it and copy your web address, and then you need to go to this website yt2fb.com/classic. Paste a YouTube link to convert. You just need to paste here and convert. It takes just 3 to 4 seconds. Then you copy your URL and go to your Facebook page like this and paste it here. Wait for 3 to 4 seconds. Yeah, here is your big thumbnail. Now you can copy your video name, whatever you want to give it, paste it, and then click on post. After 3 to 4 seconds, here is your big thumbnail. It's totally free. Please like, share and comments for watching more video. Thank you.